Have you started thinking about your silver and gold investing New Year's resolution for 2021? Hey, I'm the Stacking Stormtrooper. If you're new to the channel, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a guy in a bucket talking about precious metals. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, get the bell notification clicked, and that way you get updated with any new content. So it's that time of year, my friends. We are winding down. A lot of people are starting to discuss the various silver and gold stacking strategies that they have for the new year. 2020 has been a crazy year, to say the least. So, it's been a very challenging time for a lot of people. People have been laid off of their jobs or been furloughed or have had to take pay cuts. It's like I said, a lot of people can have their New Year's resolutions and plans and strategies in place. However, every once in a while, life will throw you a curveball and will completely derail any sort of plans that you may have already put into place. I know, speaking from experience from the 2008 recession, that happened to me. So even though my 2020 silver and gold stacking strategy ended up being okay, and I ended up actually doing more than what I was looking to do, this year could be very, very different. Now, for the silver and gold investing New Year's resolution for 2021 for myself, as you can see here, this is some of the gold that I own. And to be quite honest with you, I do not see myself changing direction when it comes to owning gold. In fact, I continue to buy it. This was actually just sent to me from none other than my friend Guido Stackin. What did I actually get? Let's take a look. You never know with that guy, right? You could buy something and maybe he'll send you something completely different, right? You never know. I'm just joking. He's very reputable guy. So I continue to stack precious metals. I continue to buy silver and gold. And let's see what did I end up buying here? Oh, look at that. All right. No drawing this time. I'm pretty disappointed. So at least you included the capsule. I got some, let's just finish off this year, right, with some of these last purchases. I ended up getting some of these sliders, which those of you that don't know what sliders are, they are in between brilliant uncirculated, almost uncirculated silver coins, right? So this is a, no, I want coins. All right, thank you, Guido. All right, I was expecting something from you. 1897 Morgan dollar, and I'll get to this in just a moment. I got a few more. An 1886, an 1881. Very, very pretty. What else? 1886 and an 1881. All right, very cool. But I did end up picking this up. This is a 2006 American Gold Eagle. Check it out. Probably going to be the last 1 ounce gold coin of the year that I pick up. Very, very pretty. I always get nervous when sending and receiving stuff, but still. Got a little, I don't know, Guido. Oh, you rubbed this on your nose or something. I don't know what that is up there, but all right. I want $5 off my purchase, Guido. $5. So let's put this with the 1 ouncers over there. I set out for 2020 to buy more gold, and I ended up doing that, and I was pretty successful in doing so. I was able to accumulate more than I was thinking I would be able to do. I don't necessarily set numbers for myself. I don't say, okay, I'm going to try to get at least 10 ounces of gold this year and 100 ounces of silver. I don't do anything like that. I have a general direction in which way I would like to go. Next year, I would like to continue to basically pour more money into gold. Why not silver? A lot of people are going to say, well, silver seems to be the better buy right now. There's more upside potential for it. These arguments may be very accurate. The fact of the matter is, silver tends to take up a lot of space. And personally, I just prefer gold over silver. I'm not saying one is better than the other. I think they both have a purpose in every single stacker's strategies. I think you should have both. But I do think that for me personally, gold tends to be something I just gravitate towards more. It used to be really the silver, and then I felt like I kind of just moved into gold. The one thing I will say that I will continue to do, I do like the 1 ounce gold coins. However, when it comes to buying 1 ounce gold coins, I would like to pick up more gold buffaloes. I ended up picking up my first gold buffaloes this year, and I believe I got 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the 5th one over there is a proof. So I like the gold buffaloes more than the eagles. The reason being is that they are more pure. These are 4/9 fine. They are a softer gold. They have a classic design. When I say softer gold, because they're pure, they're not as durable. These are mixed with around 9% copper. A lot of people don't necessarily realize that, but still an ounce of gold there though. But I just like the gold buffaloes just because of the purity. I like the color, the toning of the gold eagles. If you look at these side by side, you can kind of see this one's a little bit more of like a orangey. This is a little bit of like a brighter yellow kind of color. But I do want to stack more buffaloes. I would like to double my position in buffaloes from 5 to 10. I would also like to get, I did have this on my bucket list. This is a 50 pesos gold coin. This is like 1.2 something ounces of gold. It's like 1.267 or something along those lines. Somebody will correct me for sure in the comments below. But these gold coins, because they are meatier, they're heavier, also they're Mexican coinage, these tend to command a higher premium. But I definitely really like the Mexican bullion, and so I do intend on buying a 20 pesos next. I just really like the design on those 20 pesos, so I will be picking up at least one of those. When it comes to foreign gold in general, I most likely am going to stay away from the foreign gold, other than that maybe that one gold Mexican coin, and I'll continue to buy gold maple leafs. I have a few 1 ounce Canadian maple leafs here. What I like about these, aside from the fact that they are 4/9 pure, I like the chunkiness of these coins. As you can see, the diameter for the gold maple leafs is slightly smaller. However, these gold maple leafs have a little bit more heft to them. I just like how these, I just like the weight of these 1 ounce coins over these. So I will probably pick up more of these Canadian maple leafs, and the maple leaf too is just a beautiful coin in general. So I will pick up some more of the 1 ounce Canadian maples. When it comes to pre-33, if the deal and the price is right, I might get some more pre-33. I did go on a little bit of a kick buying some pre-33 gold earlier this year. I do like the fact that there's only so much of it minted. I think this might be it for my gold pre-33. In fact, unless I have some up front. No, that's gold maple. Gold maple. There it is. All right, so this is what I have for my pre-33 gold. This you kind of start getting more into like the numismatic aspect of collecting gold coins. If these were really going to be worth anything more in terms of numismatics, I would need to get them graded. I don't think any of these would necessarily pass for grading. I think some of them are scuffed up a little bit too much and what have you, but I just like them just because I do think they're beautiful. They're historic. You can sometimes get good deals on them depending. Sometimes these these Indian heads tend to command a little bit more of a premium on them. The other thing is I also will not be purchasing these slabbed gold coins. These slabbed gold coins, if the price is correct, I will get these, but I typically will stay away from the slabbed gold coins. I'm not really into the numismatics of stacking gold. I just like the bullion, so I'm going to continue to basically just buy the raw stuff. When it comes to silver, I will continue to buy modern bullion coins, things that are collectible in nature and stuff that I just enjoy. Things like the prehistoric life coins, or the Legends of Rock coins, or what are we talking about here? The Marvel coins, things like that. I'll buy one here, one there. I'll buy some Star Wars coins or what have you. But I think in the new year, aside from just buying like one or two here and there, I will buy more American Silver Eagles again. Maybe just like a tube. I mean, I'm really not going to get a lot of silver, I don't think, in the new year. The only silver that I do see myself buying more of, though, in 2021 is going to be a lot more of this stuff here. Constitutional silver, 90%. Morgan, Peace Dollars, Barber, Rosie's, Ben Franklin's, Merck's. I'm just going to probably get more constitutional silver. Why is that? I think because we are in this time where the premiums on metals are quite high. I feel a little bit more comfortable buying the high premium stuff in times where the spot prices are lower. So when it comes to stacking precious metals, I will probably just continue to buy some more of these constitutional silver coins in the coming year. And then, like I said, just every once in a while, something that I find to be awesome for a collectible piece, I'll buy that. But this is not going to be the focus. So the other thing too that I'm going to be focusing on, which is going to be very contrarian to a lot of people within the stacking community, dare I say, I am going to be stacking more crypto. Yes, I said it, crypto. I wasn't necessarily a naysayer, but I was somebody that didn't really... It's not that I didn't understand crypto. I understood it. I watched some documentaries on it. I read up on it. I understood what crypto was. I just kind of felt like I really missed the boat on cryptocurrencies. A lot of people have been buying Bitcoin when it was much, much cheaper. Now you have, Bitcoin at the time of this video around $18,900 per Bitcoin. And I'll be honest with you, I do feel like the fear of missing out is what's pulling me in that direction. There's going to be a lot of people that are going to comment on this video who have made it this far and are going to say that crypto is absurd. You shouldn't be buying crypto. There's, nothing backing it. It's not backed by a government. There's no gold behind it. What if, there's like a solar flare? I mean, you name it. There's going to be all sorts of different types of arguments why people should not buy crypto. But I will tell you this, I would much rather risk a few $1,000s and take a gamble and see what happens with it than just sit on the sidelines wishing that I had actually purchased crypto. You're seeing a lot more investment banks, hedge funds, governments even are talking more and more about the legitimacy of cryptocurrencies. And yeah, eventually maybe big government's going to get their fingers in it and try to start regulating it in some form or fashion. But, I do think that there is the cryptocurrencies are going to be here for a long time. I think it's the way of the future. And like I said, I kind of sat on the sidelines for quite a long time. A lot of people who are experts in crypto say that it is still very, very early. And I know that can kind of be the same thing with pumpers when it comes to silver and gold. But like I said, this is a risk that I'm willing to take. And if I lose a few $1,000s that I put into it, at least I had tried. But, any of you looking to get into crypto and what have you, don't count on it as being something that's going to, save you or make you multi-millionaires. You got to look at it almost as money that you are ready to lose. And if you lose it, you lose it. You can't really count on that money. You should not be investing or rolling the dice with any money that you cannot afford to lose. So let's recap. My silver and gold investing New Year's resolution for 2021. I'm going to continue to stack the gold. I'm going to probably try my best to try to get at least double the stack that I have here. That is a very big goal, but I'm going to try. I'm going to continue to buy crypto, and I'm going to continue to load up on the constitutional silver. What are your silver and gold investing New Year's resolutions for 2021? Comment down below. I appreciate all of you for watching. And until next time, guys, long live the Empire. And I just want to quickly thank these elite channel supporters. And if you haven't become a channel member, please check out the awesome perks and join today. With that, I'm the Stacking Stormtrooper. Check out these videos. Until next time, long live the Empire.